Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day. Well, blessed love. Guys, as I can see, it is that day, so it is that day. So I'm going to head downstairs because they're here to pick me up already, because it's that time already. It is that time, so I'm going to head on to the rehab center, and that's where everything's going to be taking place, so stay tuned, guys. Welcome to Kina Life in Jamaica. Please remember to put the thumbs up when you're watching. Always remember to put the thumbs up. It goes a long way, and thank you so much for watching Kina Life in Jamaica. So see there, summer wear, it's the Florida wear, so I'm here, I'm ready. Room, let's go get the lift and head on out of here. Open sesame. Open sesame. Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. Hello.
You want to sit to the front?
It's alright. Alright. How you doing?
I'm good.
Hello.
Good. Hi. How are you doing?
I'm good, man. Nice meeting you. Wow. Warm and nice outside.
Yes. Are you there? Yeah. All right. You hung up on that. Oh. I must have. Okay.
Yeah.
So how are you, Ben?
Good.
Oh, she's calling me back. Okay.
She's good.
Hey, Mel.
And again, I'm back. Cannot have enough. I just cannot have enough, guys. So welcome back again. So you have to be early, so I'm on time. Go settle in and go and wait. Alright, criminal. I'm good, man. How are you doing? Hello. Alright, brother. Like I just do a break-in. I'm going to do a break-in. Criminals. Everyone's getting prepared.
Huh?
Everyone getting prepared.
Yeah.
Yes. Here is Kino.
Hello.
This is our YouTuber, Kino.
Oh,
I watched a bunch of those.
Yes.
Oh, thank you.
Amazing.
Yes.
Charmaine was sending it to me. Wonderful.
Yeah.
So you came for this?
Yes, we came for this. He has been advertising.
Yeah.
So you're like a famous person, actually.
Well,
I don't know too many celebrities.
something like something. How you doing? You alright?
How are you?
Nice.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello. How are you? How are you? How you doing?
Of course I did.
Good.
I grabbed it.
Exciting.
Susie, how you doing? I'm good, I'm good. How you doing? This is Susie again.
I'm here in the building.
Let's go and eliminate the owners first.
Yeah.
Because they have been waiting for you.
All right. Yeah. Hello. Hello. Yeah. We meet that man. We meet them. Hello. Hello.
Good to see you.
Hello. Let me greet him early
Yes,
first.
ma'am. You know, I have a son named Pina, right?
Is it?
Yes.
So you have another one here?
That's right. There you go. Come, Sister Jem.
Hello, Sister Jem.
That's right.
So you greet the next Kino.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Am I taller?
Got the same height.
Same height, some that taller. Hello, sister. Nice meeting you.
Met you before.
Okay. Okay, nice meeting you again.
How's everything going?
It's good. It's good, man. It's good.
I watch you sometimes.
Yeah? Sometimes you should watch all the time.
All the time, right?
I watch every day. There's no day I miss.
Okay, thank you for that.
I miss.
Yeah, man.
Love what you doing for the kids.
Yeah, cranberry.
So for Cranberry, everybody in your community, Trenchtown.
Yeah.
That's why I'm here.
Of course.
Yes,
And I
I'm
thank you
telling you.
so much.
Yes.
Thank you so much. So it's early, so I'm gonna meet some and come back, okay? Yeah. I'll be back. Oh, yes.
Okay, so this is Tina.
I know.
You know him?
We were in the island together. Where were we?
Jamaica Trenchtown?
Yeah, we went.
You were there. Yeah, he was.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, man. Finally.
This is Mark, his son.
Yeah, bless you,
Island
man.
together.
Bless you.
The team went down, right?
Yeah.
Were they on the beach or they went to do some work there?
Work.
Oh, yeah.
Work.
Sure.
He's giving me the wink, you know.
Yeah,
He's giving me
yeah.
the wink, man. It's nice meeting you, man. You have a wonderful thing.
Thank you.
Wonderful thing going on here.
This is Tina from YouTuber.
Hey, Carl.
Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you, man. Nice to meet you.
Gray.
Hello, Gray.
Hi,
Nice to meet you as well, man.
Where is
I was watching the YouTube. Charmaine was sending us
the
the.
videos.
Yes, I'm gonna take him to the courtyard to meet them.
Yeah. So you're gonna see yourself as well.
Got it.
All right, man. Good, man.
You're going to
Hello.
help with the bar? Or do you could help them with the bar. Okay? Okay, hi. Bartender? Yes, bartenders. Because I want you to meet them before
Everyone's getting
everyone comes. It has been a busy day.
I can imagine.
Wow.
I can imagine. Guys, you know we're here from early.
Where are you?
I told her I had to come in and go to the bathroom.
Oh, okay. So Tina,
Hello.
she drove. This is Kino. She drove from Orlando.
Wow.
She is from the Global Killiwan's Alliance.
Okay.
And her husband is the president, Eddie. So yes. Oh my gosh, that's so good. I'm just taking him around to meet the other.
All right, nice, yeah? All right, yeah.
Okay, Mike, you're the teacher now.
Hello,
What's up, my friend?
What's
How are
up,
you?
man? I'm good, man. I'm good.
The legend here. I heard so
Oh,
much
man, you're
about
the
you.
legend, man. You're the legend.
I heard so many good things about you.
Thank you. That sounds good then.
Well, we're now international because of it.
We got to
Yeah, I
promote our
love it.
YouTube channel.
Yeah, you need to.
Mike over here.
Wow, it's more than 12. More than 12. We get in there, man. It was nice
love
meeting
it.
all
Nice
you all.
meeting
No?
you.
Thank you so much, man.
So do your thing.
Yeah, the far look nice.
Over here, this is our one of the terraces that we use to barbecue
Okay.
for patients and staff.
Yeah.
Yes. We also utilize it for therapy.
That's nice.
You know, just relax.
Yeah. It's a nice, relaxing area.
Beautiful.
Very nice. Well, it's like a 5-star hotel. This facility is like a 5-star hotel. I'm not even gonna lie. Nice people here as well. Yeah.
So Besides with Dr. Alonso.
Hello.
Dr. Fan.
Hello, Dr. Pimp.
He's
Nice
one
to
of the
nice to meet you.
YouTubers that promote us
Yes,
all
man.
over the world.
Yes. Doing great work. You're doing great work, man. Thank you. Dr. Fan.
Yeah, are you?
Good, man. Listen.
Nothing else to do.
Hello. Hello.
This
Yes.
is Eddie.
Hello,
Eddie
Eddie.
is the president for the Global Kiwanis Alliance.
Okay.
So he
you're
drove in from Orlando to come down.
the big president like
Yes.
Donald Trump. He took the compliment. Alright. Hello, Michelle. Hello. How you doing?
See you again. How's everything?
Good,
Welcome
man.
back.
I'm back. It's good to be home.
Yes.
I got my room at the back.
Okay.
Yeah, there's my room at the back right there, right? So I'm just gonna check in and come back, right? I'll be back. Susie, hello. Well,
Good, how are you?
I heard you on vacation, right?
Just come from Jamaica.
I heard. See? Pure Jamaica.
Yes, I didn't even remove my clothes yet. I got everything.
How was it?
going. It was good.
Aye.
It was great. We was at Valmont,
Oh,
close to Monte
Falmouth.
Falmouth. Close to Monte Covid, and we was in an Airbnb, and I went to St. James.
Yes, St.
Montego
James.
Bay,
What?
and I went to 876
Yeah.
Beach.
Oh, yeah, tour, man. You was on tour.
Yes.
You were touring.
Yes.
You were touring.
But I love it. I love it.
course, the
I
place to love,
it.
man.
We have a lot of fun.
I know. Glad to have you back now.
Thank you.
Glad to have you back.
Thank you.
So I'm
thank
going to
you,
catch
thank
up,
you.
right?
All right. I'm subscribed to you.
Say never, watch them for years I'm coming.
No, didn't.
Hey, I mean, it was an announcement that I'm coming.
I'm going to get my money now.
Come see that we back again.
Hello.
I have to get the invitation. Because
You know, I'm the one. I'm going to show you.
I'm alright. Hold on one sec. How you doing?
Angela, I'm part of one of the physician groups that comes here.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello, man.
Heard good things,
Thank
man.
you,
I'm
man.
Michael.
Hello, Michael.
They wanted to meet the celebrity.
Yeah, you came back with you. Get everybody here. Wow.
Not really. I'm trying to get there.
You had some people asking for you in the lobby also.
Yeah?
A couple, yeah.
Alright.
My wife's birthday tomorrow. Can you get a crowd?
Alright, I'll try something.
Okay.
I'll definitely try something.
Good luck, Dino.
Alright then. Thank you. Come.
Come and hug your mother. You hear?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cheese.
Cheese. Hey! Cheese, girl.
Oh, so much.
My granddaughter.
Oh, okay. Hello, Pat. Hello.
How are you?
I'm good.
I'm just doing a little tour.
Okay. Everyone's getting ready, to get that balloon for the new dialysis center. All right, yeah. To get that new dialysis center up and running, so.
Let me go get the beef. Yeah. What you want?
Microwave.
So yeah, it's busy today, People is up and down. What time is it?
West.
Nice. How are you?
Thank you. Welcome. How are you doing? Good? Yeah.
The commissioner for Sunrise.
I just saw.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Are you guys okay?
I heard the whole trench done.
Yeah.
All right.
I did.
Trench down story. Come on down.
Alright guys, so let's see what's going on inside. Here she is.
them and we're doing my YouTube.
One. I'll get something back.
So hard to find.
I know.
I text you. You don't even answer me text.
Sorry,
And I have something for Patrick. And I gotta go, but I want to give you this. Something for $100 for Patrick.
Yeah.
I was texting you for, I'm going to show you my text. For cranberry and cranberry, but when I watched you the other day and he said he's hungry, it made me weird. No.
Right.
Yeah, so I had to say, let me send it to Patrick. I'll take care of the cranberry and then get it so well.
So this is Sonia and Compton. Okay.
Wakina, the work you're doing, let me tell you, I don't stop watching you. Every day you're on, I am watching you. My husband can tell you, my TV don't stop run because I don't watch any other
Nothing
people
else.
do.
Respect everything. Yeah, man. We appreciate it.
I had to come because the last 2 times a year we used to live in New York where you were. We were all over those and we moved down there. But when I saw it, I said, when you off today, I gotta go see Kino.
Yes.
But let me tell you, the love is
Of course, man. It's nothing but love, man.
You want a good one, and so she texts you.
Yeah.
For cranberry.
But when I saw what Patrick said the other day and he's eating the sardine and I'm like, no, I have to send him.
So touching. I thank you so much, you know. Thank you so much. Definitely, man. Yeah, man.
So good to see you.
Hello. Nice meeting you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
And it's good that the people get to know each other.
Smelling good. What's that? Teddy bear, teddy bear, teddy bear, teddy bear, teddy bear. Huh? It's an office art time. Yeah, man, so let them know. Give a channel a shout out and let them know.
Yes, guys, so it's Marriage in a Minute.
Yeah.
It's Marriage in a Minute. Subscribe to our channel. We have all kinds of resources to help you in your marriages.
Yeah.
My wife is Michelle.
So if you want to get married in a minute, this is it. You're married 29 years. Does anyone want to get married in a minute?
No.
Yeah?
No.
So once you watch this channel, you will get married in a minute. Very quick.
So let you continue.
Yes. So I guess you're married in a minute already, right?
Only a minute. Wait.
It took a minute.
It took a minute. So we're married in a minute. My name is Michelle.
Yeah.
This is my husband Karim. And we are huge fans. Listen, we've been watching live we don't have cable. So we use YouTube. So you have been on our TV screen for the longest while. Every day we come in. It's like, let's see what Kino did until we finally subscribe. But they will comment, Kino did a new one. Kino did a new one. So that we look forward to every single day. And so many people, we just spread the word. We share. We're like, guys, you gotta get on. If you're not laughing, you're gonna be crying. To see some of the, you know, it takes you high and it takes you low. But you're always so hopeful. You give dream a reason. You know, just to build. Listen, we need you in Congress in these United States because you built a great team of people, and we can't even do this in the United States. So I'm just saying, Kino is, you are an inspiration to us, and we absolutely love what you're doing.
Thank you so much, man.
Out of the kindness of your heart, like, you know, you deserve to be paid. You deserve to be paid whatever.
By the Almighty, man. You know, the
By the
Almighty.
Almighty,
Yeah, the
yeah.
Almighty blessings.
So,
We pray for marriages, married couples. We also give resources. We have a website called www.marriagevantagepoint.com. Check it out. Subscribe to our channel. Marriage in a minute. Like the videos, share it, and subscribe.
All right.
Support us.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. There's not an episode that we haven't seen.
All right.
And we go back and watch stuff
Over and over.
remember and say, remember Jackie?
Yeah, yeah.
Remember colors when we
Yeah,
started?
yeah.
And now it's like, I'm just,
The cook, when name again?
Wow, chef.
Wow, chef. That's my favorite.
Yeah, man.
Is
Wow,
it
chef.
Manchester United he like or the other
Chelsea.
one? Chelsea.
I'm Manchester
You're
United.
Manchester United.
And he's
so
Chelsea.
even those battles were involved with.
Yes,
So
man.
I'm like Kim Tino, and he's Kim Wow Chef,
Wow
and then
Chef.
we have to put it together and say one team.
One team.
One
That's
team,
what to
yeah.
say, you know. So guys, them say you can check them out. It's called Marriage in a Minute. If you feel like you want to get married, it's taking it too long to get married. Once you go over there and watch them, trust me, you get married in a minute. Just like that. You know?
There it is.
Because so blessed love, you know, so there you are enjoy, you know? Yeah. Yeah. Hello. You alright? Nice meeting you.
Yes, so if you want to subscribe to the channel, we'll send it to you.
Yeah, let's send me the link, right?
Thanks.
Go on. Married in a minute. If you don't marry, you can marry in a minute. How you doing? I'm good, man. Nice meeting you again. Hello.
How are you?
That's again.
Nice to meet you.
Sunrise.
One team, you know, Sunrise.
One team, dream team. One team.
Dream team.
Hello.
What do you got going on tomorrow?
Dawn.
Hello, Dawn.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
you. And this is
We've met
Yeah, we met.
the first time.
But she missed the
Color spiel.
I did.
You did.
Yes.
But at least you're here today,
Yes,
right?
I'm here today.
Yeah, man,
Pleasure
that-
to meet you. I've heard so much great things about
Thank you, man. Thank
Yes.
you, man.
Yeah.
Thank you, man.
Hopefully she'll be able to make it to Trenchtown.
Hopefully.
Yeah, I would love that. I would really love that. Lend a helping hand.
Make it happen. You can
Yes.
make it happen. Make it happen.
November, it's going to be the first weekend. No, the second weekend.
Second
in
weekend.
November.
A chat or a group or
Yes,
anything?
I'm going to start a chat next
Yeah.
week. And I'm going to get you guys all included in it.
Yes,
Okay?
yes. And we can let out whatever it is, donations,
Yes.
fundraising, whatever
We're going to do fundraising, yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
All right, thanks for having us today. It was a lovely event.
Thank you.
All right. Okay.
All right then. Yeah. Thank you so much. All right. Yeah. Looking forward. General
Jeffrey Jacques.
Jeffrey Jack. That's his man. I name the son famous man. The famous man is.
Not yet. Maybe.
Maybe.
Oh, but I heard you do good things. I heard
Yeah, man, you
a lot
know.
of good things that you're doing as far as it's concerned.
Yeah.
They say you wear your heart on your sleeve. Is that true?
Well, we're all over.
All over?
Not only on the sleeve, but it's
Yes,
all over.
I
You know?
get that.
You know, we're here to try to do good. You know,
Yes.
not try. We should do good.
Yes, absolutely.
So I'm just playing my part till whenever
Yes.
I'm not here anymore in this universe.
Right,
you know,
right,
guys, it's part of life.
Yeah, I
you
like
know,
that.
we're not supposed to look down on anyone. Can supposed to help them out.
Exactly.
You know,
Exactly.
so if I'm down, I would like someone to come around and give me a helping hand upstairs.
Wow.
So that's what I'm really doing.
I love that.
You know?
I love that. That's a lot of what the industry that we're part of. It's a push and pull type of setup.
Yeah.
It's called People Helping People. It's called PHP.
That is it.
And that's
you
what
know?
that's a lot of what I do. I'm the same way.
And that's a lot of love, you know.
Yes.
It's a lot of love. But you can help someone else grow.
Exactly. I
You
love
know?
that. I
And
love
that's
that.
why we're here to help grow.
Hey,
you know?
that's it. I love
We're
it.
not gonna lose sleep if we help someone.
Hey, it doesn't hurt. It only helps. But I want to take a picture with you. If I
Yeah,
may.
man.
Let me see.
In a better place
Yeah.
because of your art.
Absolutely. I love that, man. I tell you, that's what it's about. A lot of what we've done, what I've done is I've helped things for Haiti. We used to do a whole outreach, but because of the things that gotten so bad there, it's been pretty dicey. But eventually I'm going to get back to that. But a lot of what I've done before in the past in the States, because as much as this is a rich country, that many people are still
Of course.
So we gave out about 21 pallets of food. I to Sunday, going out to the community, partnering up with churches, and doing that. So
that's a lot of blessings, man.
Yes,
that's a lot of blessings, man. And,
absolutely.
And continue to see it in the good
Yes, sir.
man, because we have to, you know.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Well, blessings to you, okay?
Yeah, man, every time, man.
Appreciate you.
Yes,
Be
man.
good.
Blessings, good man. Oh, yeah, signing. Yeah.
What gym?
I have to pass. You see, I have to pass through. Of course. I have to.
Hold up today again.
The ribbon cutting for the dialysis unit, you know. Yes, so I understand everything will take place right now.
See there?
So that's the right yes, I go and agree. So welcome again, man. Bella at next vlogs. And everything goes, man. I'm more love every time. So you can take a look and so I go on inside, man. And so I go on, you know. Nothing more love. Yeah.
Time with him. Well, one time.
Is it catch some fish? I want to miss. Oh, you miss.
Yeah.
And him catch. So we eat. Breeze.
Breathe.
He had a fishing day. He had a catching day.
Okay.
Enjoy the moment.
Yeah. You know how it go. I feel like your day is not your day. But at least him share though.
Well, he was supposed to, but I guess I go two different directions, so you know, he end up.
No, but as him catch him, should have show one to you. Yeah.
Yeah, next time carry.
Next time as I catch it, just show a game, man.
No, what really happened is the fish we catch is it kind of
Small.
So,
You could have split it in half, see me. I'm doing something same way, man.
yeah. But next time, man, not hit the light.
Yeah, man, one of them time when I'm here, I would definitely be out there on the sea to catch something.
When you're ready.
Yeah, man, one of these days when I'm back here all the time, we'll jump on it. And we catch snapper, right?
Hey, but
Yeah, snap
you sure the one who get me the fish there.
Yeah?
We never fish before.
Yeah.
We never fish before.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fishing.
Yeah.
Okay, that's true.
Yeah, man, go and get that tour, man. Okay, so you're gonna be on the video. The video is right here. It's right here. I want to see. Yeah. So see, we all in the video. We're right here. You know, hey baby. So we have Salman, the big man, the sunrise. Sunrise team. You know, sunrise team.
Sunrise team, sunrise.
All the way to Jamaica, ladies. Sunrise. That's it, man. Thank you. Nothing but love from the sunrise team.
Love it.
Thank you.
We're gonna edit it out.
No, it's gonna edit in.
Latoya leaving, so she wanna meet Tina.
Hello.
Right. Commissioner Latoya from Sunrise, the city of Sunrise.
Yeah. So if we meet again a million times, right? See, they'll make life nice with Latoya. We here at sunrise, you know, nothing but good life, right?
Beautiful city.
Beautiful.
All right. So
You going?
I've been communicating with you on WhatsApp.
Okay.
So I'm the one that was talking to you about getting some stuff to you.
Yeah.
Mar.
Okay.
You gave me a lady name to reach out to. I did, but I never hear from her.
Oh, anybody here?
No. So some of the stuff when you have time, they'll ask you to take a picture with me anyway, please.
Yeah.
And you don't want some of the, when you have time, I wanted to, because like right now I have tons and tons of donation when I get hospital bed, scooter, and I meant.
And them stuff, but the right person to link with.
So that's what I said. I want you to let me know which person. So I think it was her.
Yeah.
You never answer your phone.
I'm sorry.
I know you're busy like I am. We're all busy.
Yeah.
We're community leaders, but he had told me to reach out to you about getting stuff to Jamaica, because what I happened to, I'm ending up talking to Nikisha Burchell. I think she was an advisor to the People's National Party, and I was also telling her that we're stuck with scooters, wheelchairs, hospital beds as of now. So I had reached out to him because I see the good thing he's doing.
Yeah.
because I send stuff back down here too. So now I meet you in person. I'm gonna antagonize you. Because Spirit Airlines, like the other day, the Spirit Airline called me to pick up these stuff, and I couldn't. Because I had some.
So we have a bus. So if you have transportation,
yes. Oh my God.
Yeah.
Right now it's at the Stratford Port.
What? Okay. So let me give you my card.
Please, Miss Charmaine. You know I'm gonna go around in a
The more you antagonize her, the more you antagonize her.
I will. Miss Charmaine, come.
Big up, man. Big up. Every time.
Glad to see you, man.
Yeah.
My name is Ivan. Ivan.
Alvan. Oh, big up Alvan.
Manchester.
Manchester, Jamaica.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. They call it Girl Chester now.
Yeah.
The name change.
You gonna be visible apart from here because I know my wife wants to see it because she wants to give me some things.
Yeah.
You know, but because we couldn't get it today, she wants to get some things for the dog to feed when you go to the room.
Okay, cranberry.
Yeah. How did you find up here, man?
Well, I went to the river and that's where I met them, you know? Yes, I went to the river.
Yeah, I like them kids. The second one, like cranberry,
Nana. I have Nana and Coco.
Yeah. I'm gonna tell her to come down here.
All right, then. Yeah. All right, no problem.
Please to meet you.
All right, yeah, man. Do that.
It's still good. Drink tea, I'm still going.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Because we've been.
Hello.
He wanted to the house. Yes. Oh, this is our YouTuber from Jamaica that came to Chicago.
Hello.
This is Tina Life in Jamaica.
I'm Kina. Nice meeting you.
For all of our big events.
Thank you so much. Yeah, you can come with the team.
Well, we are going down for our health fair.
Yeah.
Trench down where Bob Marley.
Did you invite us?
Yeah.
There's a team building event.
So we are. No, we're serious. We're going in November. And we're carrying maybe about over 50 doctors, nurses.
That's
Okay. All right? So see,
Yeah.
I will hook you guys up. Okay?
So put them in the group.
I'll put you in the group chat and we'll start from there. Yeah.
So they definitely be in the
And
group.
Sasha will be there. Sasha is coming.
Yeah, she's coming.
Yeah, she will be in Trenchtown.
Okay.
you want.
Take a picture.
I just want a picture.
With Kina.
Yeah.
10 more.
10 more.
And we put mighty work out here. God,
Imagine if you have 10 more.
of Kina.
Yeah.
Same thing.
Yeah.
Oh my God, Jamaica deserve it. Love you. God bless you. Alright? And I'll give you the stuff. You know you do now.
No. This your wife, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Why you look alike? We've been together for so long, you look alike, right? Alright, thank you.
You talk later, okay?
Yeah, because I'm here. Yeah?
Because I said to them, say, oh, go on. So they're not dancing. Everybody just,
Oh.
Yeah.
Never treat early, I'm try to get them through first.
Oh, so later on.
Yeah, man. Respect, man.
We're trying to do a proposal now
Yeah.
for
faith-based concert that we can raise funds to make an impact.
Wow, so guys, so you hear that? So there's some blessings coming in. I have to give thanks. Tyrone Cross.
We're working nurses home care.
Yes. So guys, so I'm saying great things gonna happen. You know, I have to give thanks to Mommy Charmaine, you know, Sunrise team. We're making more great movements happen. And with Tyrone on board, trust me.
Coming to make an impact.
Of course.
Alright.
Trenchtown, more impact coming in, you know. Tyrone on board, so everything goes already. Nothing but love, man.
For sure.
Yeah, man, for sure. So bless and love, guys. One Tyrone, you know what I mean? Big up, bro.
Yes.
Respect, man. We appreciate the love, man. We appreciate, man. You know, them say unity is strength. Together we can make a change.
Absolutely.
And that's what we're gonna do, man.
Absolutely.
Make a change, man.
Absolutely.
And hopefully I'll be seeing in Trenchtown as well, too.
That's what we're doing. We're planning to actually go in November.
Yes. So you're on that trip as well.
Absolutely.
All right then. All right. So it's big move.
A 3/4 chord is not easily broken, man. So unity, there's definitely strength.
Yes, there's definitely strength, man. I appreciate the love,
Yes,
man.
sir, man.
So we'll be seeing Tyrone. We'll definitely be seeing Tyrone in Trenchtown in November. The whole team is we're gonna make it happen. So stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. Yes, sir, man. President. Hello. Hello, Carol. From the last time, big man. Lightweight. Don't it? You know, I'm in our water bottle. Miss Charmaine already?
Yes, I saw her. And I hello, Patricia. Hi, good to see you again. Yes.
That's good. So you have clients coming.
Well, I have a friend just opened up an assisted living and she's looking for a space where she can bring her patient here.
Okay.
I'm a dietitian, so I just do the dietitian part.
That's good. That's great thing happening.
It's good to see you though.
Yeah. You just got here?
Yeah, I just got off work. See, I have my badge. Let me just stop by.
Of course. Thank you, man. Thank you. So, everybody's not shut out yet.
I just got a tour though.
Yeah. That's all. Nice. It's gonna be great. Sunrise teddy bear.
Oh yeah. My little bag is
Yeah.
We also wanted to say to everyone that we do like Google reviews. There is someone passing around the Google review, and you can just throw a comment on how the facility smells, how our dialysis center is looking. We will really appreciate it. It really supports us with our marketing and our team internally. waiting for 2 more people. And this is Charmaine, the administrator of the facility.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for being a part of this wonderful, awesome afternoon. We could not have done it without you. And of course, you know, Sunrise is the dream team, the one team. And that is why we're here this afternoon to celebrate another milestone. And it is the opening of our 8-bed or 8-chair dialysis center. That is an awesome accomplishment. So at this time, if you have not given us a review, please take out your phones. Take out your phones, go to Google, takes 1 minute, I'm coming around, take out your phones. Okay, let's work it now. 5 minutes, take out your phones. If you have not given us a review, take out your phone, go to Google, and we can help you. Pass on to
QR code.
Okay, are you on Google? Okay. 2 seconds. Type in exactly how you felt when you walked through the lobby. When you came down, you walked through for the tour. And then when you came back, here. 2 seconds. The first impression, the receptionist. Let's start with the receptionist. You're welcome. The smile. The cleanliness. The smell. Yes. 2 seconds. Come on, I don't see those fingers moving. Did you? Okay, very good. You're always here. Admissions, can you help us? Please, leadership team, use the back of your, come on, walk around, please help. Yes, thank you. Very good.
I don't play. Charming. Take out your phone.
Yes, please, take out your phone.
This is a stick up.
Please help each other. Help each other. You did already? You did yours? Okay, thank you. You did yours? Thank you. You did yours?
Okay. All right. That is it. This is a stick up.
Yes.
The phone screen on the Wi-Fi.
You did your already?
Oh, watch the walk. Yes, man, big up. Welcome. Yeah, man, cool. Yeah, I'm a basketballer in my past life. Yeah.
Show your folks that you have completed your review. Show the folks that you have completed your review.
Did you review already?
Yep. Hey, come on, early.
Yeah.
Step in.
If you
Oh.
have to
You have to do.
show your phone.
Of course. Yeah.
Thank
I'm still
you.
like a hotel.
Thank you. You're awesome. Thank you.
Place smell nice and fresh like a hotel.
Real 5-star hotel. You know, when you step in, nobody doesn't know a real business.
Yeah, trust. Yeah.
So nice.
I think they did it.
Thank you ever so much.
Like an Airbnb.
Ready?
It's like an Airbnb. Yeah.
Owners, please stop work. Owners, stop
Always, always.
Our supporting team, consulting team, leadership team, can you please come forward? Yes. Leadership team members, leadership team members, leadership team members, consulting, please come forward.
Yeah. One team.
Leadership team, consulting.
Told you're gonna be a celebrity today.
Love it. You coming with us?
Yes,
Coming to Jamaica, baby.
Of course,
Coming to Jamaica.
Leadership team.
President.
We're working on that project in November.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I gotta get your phone number, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, man. From the road I come from, man.
My brother, you got them look down there.
Okay.
On the last
From the road, man. From the shop.
As we are about to take this ribbon, this is the inauguration of our new 8-chair dialysis center, and I am so delighted to cut the ribbon. This is our new dialysis center inpatient 8-chair. So as you can see, we all have dialysis machines here, and the space is conducive to the patient's comfort. We do have iPads, individual iPads that they will be given while they are being dialyzed, that they at their comfort. Also the scenery outside. So the glass, they are tinted, the windows are tinted, they can see outside, but for privacy, no one from outside can see that. So just the greenery, to take their mind off just sitting in 3 or 4 hours of being dialyzed. The good thing about this is that they are inpatient here for rehab. So while they are doing their rehab, they can also do their dialysis. So it is the convenience, and this has been something that we have been working on for the last 2 years. So we're just so happy that this has now come to pass.
Yes, it's a blessing.
Yes, thank you ever so much. It's very beautiful. Yes, beautiful. Wow. Okay? Yes. And here is this. Hi, how are you? Thanks for coming. Thanks for coming. Hi, how are you? You made it. Good. This is a semi-private room for our inpatient short-term rehab. And as you can see, it comes with an electrical bed. It has an overhead table. We have reading glasses. We have throws, a telephone, and of course a light, a nightstand. We do have closet space for them. Very comfortable chairs if they have visitors. And of course they do have individual TVs. And of course, as you can see, the closet space is very big, and we also give them a free robe when they do come in. So the throw that is on the bed, it's given to them complimentary. So when they're leaving, they take it with them.
Okay.
And of course, this is another sitting area for them. Of course, they do have a bedside nightstand where they can put their goodies. We have the remotes here. And of course, in here is their bathroom.
And it's like a Airbnb.
It's a brand new.
It's a brand new room.
Those are all renovated.
Yeah. So this is all renovated, right?
Hi, Margaret. Thank you, and thank you. I'm so happy you made it. So this is the water room. This is where all the controls take place.
Yeah.
Oh, it's locked.
It's locked.
But this is the water room. All the pumps and everything is in there.
Lovely.
And of course, this is the rehab unit, so it's convenient. So the patients will be on this wing, and then for dialysis, they just go down the hallway.
Yes.
Hi, Latonia. Rosemary. Hello.
Rose.
Happy to see you home.
I said she's crashing. How are you?
I'm good, man.
Around, we're happy.
Exactly. I'm even happier.
Yes.
Oh my God.
So you know who is here? Eddie, the president for the global. Yes, so he wants to meet you. He and his wife Tina.
Okay.
The global. Come, let's come.
Hello.
So this is.
Well, guys, as you can see, it was a great moment here. Sunrise, the Sunrise team and the Dream team will be doing great work together in the future. As you can see, trust me, November is going to be a big look for that one, because we're going to have the nurses coming down, and other associates going to group up, going to visit Trenchtown. We're going to see. Listen, there's so much help coming in for Trenchtown when it reach them time. But stay tuned for all of that, guys. Trust me. Great things in the pipeline. Great things.
You're here for a purpose.
So we have the Kiwanis them here.
Yes, we are the Kiwanis.
So we're gonna take a photo, right? Can you catch everything, Pat?
Patricia. I can.
Yes. Can't catch everything.
Come, Patricia. I'm coming in.
So catch half and half.
Actually, I did. Oh, good.
Catch everybody?
Patricia, she's coming in.
Yeah.
Alright, I check it out. Because we have this on the camera. Yeah.
And put
Everything in there.
every foot in there,
Okay.
Let me see.
We're all coming to see you guys in November.
She's coming to Trenchtown. So we're gonna have a big team in November.
Yes.
We're gonna have a big team, boy. Look like we got about 100 people.
Make sure you have money for room.
Yes, I'm fine.
That you're sitting with him, so blessed love. Yeah.
I'm gonna pick up my. Alright, I'll come back here.
Yeah.
Okay, Kino.
Alright then. Alright, so mama then.
Bye, Kino.
Yes. So it was a wonderful day today. Wonderful day. Today was a very long day, so anyway thing goes, guys. So after this I'll be getting myself ready to go home. So I told you it was a short trip, quick and fast, so blessed love and thank you guys so much for your love and support. And I'm gonna say there's gonna be great things happening, great things in the pipeline, it's gonna be happening, inside of Trenchtown, because speaking to some interested people, and do some great stuff, for helping out the need down there, so it's nothing but love and love alone, guys. So it's blessed love to all, Dream Team, one team, keep soaring. So blessed love.
Watch her now. You see Life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch her now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.